Are you an older adult and not sure what to do in a hurricane or tornado? You're in the right place. If you use a walker or wheelchair, your plan is different. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a simple before, during, after checklist, plus how to prep food, water, power, and exactly where to shelter safely. Before we start, a quick primer. Hurricanes are large tropical storms that form over warm oceans. They can last days, bring strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surge, and you usually have time to prepare or evacuate early. Tornadoes are small but extremely intense wind funnels that form from severe thunderstorms. They develop fast, move quickly, and warnings can be minutes. You must shelter immediately. Think of it this way. Scale, wide versus narrow. Warning time, days versus minutes. Main dangers, storm surge and flooding versus extreme winds and debris. Shared rules, get away from windows, protect head and neck, follow official alerts, and use texts, not long calls. Now, let's build your step-by-step plan. Firstly, tell me which part of the world you're watching from and drop your questions below. If this helps, please subscribe and turn on notifications. These tips might save a life. Chapter 1. Know your alerts. Watch versus warning. Two words matter most. Watch and warning. Watch equals conditions are possible. Prepare now. Warning equals threat is happening or imminent. Act now. Turn phone emergency alerts on. Keep a weather radio/app nearby. Know your siren meanings locally. Add your city alert system to your phone. If it's a hurricane watch, charge phones and power banks. Fill water, stock easy-chew food. Refill meds for 7 to 14 days. Pack your go bag. Bring in outdoor items. Close shutters. Review evacuation route and transport. Leave early if told. If it's a hurricane warning, act now. If officials say evacuate, go immediately. Sheltering? Stay inside, away from windows, interior room or hallway. If it's a tornado watch, clear a path to your safe interior room, lowest floor. Stage helmets, pillows, blankets. For wheelchairs, practice lock, cover, hold. Keep shoes, flashlight, whistle by the bed. If it's a tornado warning, act now. Go to your safe room now. Cover head, neck with arms, pillow, or helmet. Wheelchair, lock wheels, cover, stay put. Do not shelter under overpasses. In a car, park safely and get below window line. Accessibility tips. Hard of hearing? Use strobe bed shaker alerts. Low vision? Keep tactile labels to your safe room. Share alerts with a nearby buddy. Now that you know the alerts, let's prep your food, water, meds, and power so you can ride out outages safely. Chapter 2. Food, water, meds. First priority. Start with water. Store at least 3 days. Aim for 7 if you can. Plan roughly 1 gallon, 4 liters, per person per day for drinking and basic hygiene. Small bottles are easier to lift. Label the date and rotate every 6 months. If supplies run low, use sealed bottled water first. For any treatment or disinfection, follow local guidance. 30. No cook, easy to chew. Choose shelf-stable foods you can eat without cooking if power goes out. Think tuna or bean pouches, nut butter, crackers, instant oats, shelf-stable milk, protein shakes, fruit cups, soft granola, soups with easy open lids. If you use dentures or have trouble chewing, keep softer options like yogurt cups, shelf-stable, applesauce, instant mashed potatoes. Keep a manual can opener, paper plates, and wipes to save water. Dedications and health essentials. Pack 7 to 14 days of your prescription medications in original labels, plus a printed med list, name, dose, schedule, allergies. Add spare glasses, hearing aid batteries, charger, and a basic first aid kit. If a medicine normally needs refrigeration, talk to your pharmacist about safe alternatives. Keep a small cooler with gel packs ready for outages. Include key OTC items. Pain reliever. Chapter 3. Power and medical devices. Start now. Charge every now. Phones, power banks, hearing aids, chair, scooter batteries. Label each charger. Keep a spare cable in your go bag. If you use oxygen, CPAP, powered mobility, or home monitors, make a backup plan. Ask your provider how to switch to cylinders, manual mode if power fails. Keep written instructions in your go bag. Store extra hearing aid batteries, charger, and a small headlamp for hands-free light. Generators and carbon monoxide safety. Never run a generator indoors or in a garage. Place it outside, far from doors and windows. Let baby CO alarms in the home. Let a healthy helper refuel. Turn the unit off and let it cool first. Fridge and freezer. Keep food safe. Keep doors closed. A refrigerator keeps food safe for about 4 hours without power. A full freezer, about 48 hours. Half full, 24 hours. Freeze water bottles, gel packs now to stretch the time. Use a fridge thermometer. When in doubt, throw it out. Your car can charge devices, but only outdoors, never in a closed garage. Use LED flashlights, not candles. Insulin, prefer cool storage. Keep a small cooler and gel packs ready. Don't place meds directly on ice. Ask your pharmacist for safe temps and time limits. Utility about medical needs programs and outage notifications. Share your device needs with your nearby buddy and out-of-area contact. 60-second power check. Right after this video. Top up all batteries, freeze 2 water bottles, and put 1 spare charger in your go bag. Power plan done. Next, let's secure your home and yard so flying debris and broken paths don't turn small hazards into big ones. Chapter 4. Home and Yard Safety. Secure inside and out. 1. Bring it in. Tie it down. Start outside. Bring in or tie down light things. Chairs, bins, planters, tools, decorations, small grills. Fold or secure awnings, umbrellas. Move vehicles to a garage or a spot away from trees and power lines. 2. Buy safe interior space, tornado and high wind. For tornadoes or extreme wind, choose a small interior room on the lowest floor, bathroom, closet, hallway. Stage helmets, pillows, blankets. If you use a wheelchair or walker, clear the route and practice lock, cover, hold. 4. Pathways, mobility ready. Make 90 centimeter - 3 foot pathways. Remove loose rugs and clutter. Coil and tape cables. Keep walker, wheelchair accessible. Add small battery lights or night lights along the path. 5. Anchor tall furniture and TVs to the wall. Mark safe spots beside sturdy furniture. If flooding is possible, place towels, sandbags at low doors. Unplug non-essential appliances. Use flashlights, not candles. Know where your shutoffs are. Only turn them off if authorities instruct. Flashlight, whistle, phone plus power bank, and a 24-hour meds pack where you can reach without standing. Chapter 5. Evacuation Plan. Go early. Decide your trigger to leave. Have a clear trigger. If you need mobility help or medical devices, leave early, when an official watch is issued or when your zone is advised. Don't wait for traffic, darkness, or last-minute orders. Your destination. Pick 2 options. Friends outside the impact area. An official shelter. Note, look for medical needs or pet-friendly if required. Save addresses offline and write them on your contact sheet. Transportation plan. Driving? Keep the tank half full and a car charger in the glove box. Not driving? Book paratransit senior transport early. Confirm wheelchair access and pickup point. Have a backup ride, neighbor, community group, or taxi ride share. Ask, go bag, grab and roll. Pack light, label your bags and devices. Must-haves, meds, 7 to 14 days, med list, ID, insurance copies, glasses, hearing aid batteries, charger, phone plus power bank, water, snacks, small radio, cash, small bills. For medical devices, bring cables, adapters, extension cord, and written instructions. At service animals, bring carrier, leash, food, water, vaccination info, and any meds. Confirm your shelter or destination is pet-friendly. Service animals are generally allowed. Pack their ID, gear. And Driving basics. Download offline maps. Avoid flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown. Share your route and ETA with your out-of-area contact. Stop before fatigue. Before you leave home, unplug non-essential appliances. Move valuables up from floor level. Lock doors and windows. If officials instruct utility shutoffs, do that only if told. Take a photo walkthrough for insurance and family. In listening. On arrival, check in with your contact list. At shelters, register your medical needs and ask where to plug devices safely. Keep meds and chargers with you, not buried in luggage. Evac plan set. Next, we'll cover during a hurricane and during a tornado, exactly where to shelter and how to protect head and neck until it's safe. Chapter 6. During a hurricane, stay inside, away from glass, stay indoors. Move to an interior room or hallway, no windows, lowest level you can safely reach. Close interior doors. Keep curtains, blinds closed to catch glass. Light and power safety. Use flashlights, not candles. Keep phones on low power mode. Save battery for updates. Do not use generators indoors or in garages. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Flooding? Move up. Keep an exit. If water rises, move to a higher level. Avoid sealed attics. Keep an exit to outside. Unplug appliances if you can reach safely. Do not walk in floodwater if you can avoid it. The wind stops suddenly. It may be the eye. Calm in the middle. Stay sheltered. The wind returns from the opposite direction. Keep pets with you. Carrier, leash, water. Take medications on schedule. Set a timer. Sip safe water regularly. Use packaged snacks you prepared. The first of you have closed is in Ages. Chapter 7. During a tornado. Safe room now. First, take shelter immediately. Warning means now. Go to your safe interior room on the lowest floor. Bathroom, closet, or hallway. If you have a basement, use it. Away from windows. Close doors. Protect head and neck. Cover your head and neck. Use a helmet, thick pillow, or mattress. Wear sturdy shoes in case you must move after. Heel chair, walker, limited mobility. Wheelchair or scooter. Park against an interior wall, lock wheels, bend forward, cover head neck with arms or a cushion. Walker, limited mobility. Sit low beside sturdy furniture or on a chair against an interior wall. Curl forward and cover head neck. Can't get to the floor? Seated protection is okay. Focus on head neck cover. Bile homes and big spaces. Move to a sturdy building or community shelter. Inside large open buildings, gyms, malls, go to small interior rooms on the lowest level. Fifth, you're outside or in a car. Do not shelter under overpasses. If you can reach a sturdy building quickly, go there. If not, park safely, seatbelt on, head below window line, cover with a coat or blanket. As a last resort, if there's no shelter and flying debris is severe, lie in a low ditch, watch for flood your head, watch for flooding. 6. Stay informed, keep messages short. Follow official alerts on a weather radio or app. Send brief texts to your out-of-area contact. Sheltering, safe. Save battery, low power mode, avoid long calls. 7. The room becomes unsafe. Ceiling cracking, debris falling. Move to another interior room if safe. Take GoBaird, shows, phone. If trapped, cover mouth, tap to signal, shout last. Stay low, cover up, and wait for the all clear. When the funnel passes, dangers remain. Downed lines, gas, flooding. Next, after the storm, how to check hazards, communicate smartly, and help neighbors safely. Chapter 8. After the storm. First hours. Wait for the all clear. Stay put until official all clear. Storms bring secondary hazards. After storms. Rising water. Live wires. Protect yourself first. Put on sturdy shoes and gloves. Check yourself for injuries. Press to stop bleeding. If dizzy or short of breath, sit and sip water. Avoid overexertion. Electrical and gas dangers. Assume downed lines are live. Stay well away. Smell gas or hear hissing? Don't light matches or use switches. Ventilate if you can, and leave if unsafe. If instructed to shut off utilities, do so only if you know how. Flood water rules. Don't walk or drive through floodwater. It hides glass, chemicals, and open manholes. If water is entering, move to higher ground and keep an exit. Food and fridge safety. Keep fridge and freezer closed. When power returns, check temperatures. If in doubt, throw it out, especially meats, dairy, leftovers, meads, and devices check. Take medications on schedule. If a med needs cooling, use your gel packs, cooler, and call your pharmacist about time limits. Recharge hearing aids, phones, power banks when safe. Kami describes to however, keep calls brief, turn on low power mode. Kami on neighbors if safe. If it's safe, check neighbors, especially anyone alone or using mobility devices. Share water, info, and contacts. If help is needed, give location and specific needs. Leather and closing. Wear gloves and closed-toe shoes. Lift small loads. Take breaks. Heat and stress can be dangerous. Use flashlights, not candles. Leave chainsaw, roof work to trained helpers. Take photos and videos of damage before moving items. Store receipts for repairs. Report downed lines, gas leaks, major damage to authorities or utility. Cooling refills ad. Kami, if outages persist, look for community cooling warming centers. Ask your pharmacy and clinic about emergency refills. Bring go bag, meds, chargers, and ID. Step by step. Safety first. I hope this video was helpful. Have you ever experienced a hurricane, tornado, or another natural disaster? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments. I read every one. If this was useful and you'd like more senior-friendly safety guides, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Stay safe, and I truly hope you never need to use this information.